Okodin Junction. Now anybody there. Chairman! What you go? What about premium atipe? Okodin Junction. E two fun bi so. Na woni kapran so dia. Hey, what you go? What you go? E say record breaking no. E kon any. Akosia brempoma enhu Charles. Akosia se wa enhu Charles. Ya poku enhu Charles. Sana kojo Israel enhu kantanka. Mwachi guho. Mwani guho. Butrumu daso. Mwabo priwe watipe. Mwabo adampai. Mwabo adeja.
If you are here and you want to know what is ongoing right now about the late Apostle Kwadwo Kantanka ne yinto to yena, people say me catch us say any day too. Na ekoso ewo Independence Square na say the Black Star Square. Na enipa board dumping honmon. Anya the ketwa cars from all over the places are coming there just to observe this special day for the late Apostle Kwadwo Kantanka. Now, Ebusia and Komua Ekoso on social media now is reflecting on what happened yesterday at Gomwa Mpota. Baby, the late Apostle Safo Kwadwo Kantanka kase yensi ni one or kase yensi museum ne yensi no. Now, Ebusia no kwasam ni say museum no omusi enra ntenra. If you join our live, we will send a museum no. Esi wa bansoro yesi fefa yam pretty the white and gold en komo ekoso ne yese omu ehu se die mu bia ba hono enti no Ebusua secretary Philip Sian edin komo se eyi ya emu eyisi wode na enye yi e comedy onko bi se Ebusua pe need to pack according to information e won yese tama na eyi no ekoso Kumasi cramp no belumba ni pedua eni coffee ni mu honorable edin hu komo a o kire se asembisi to the extent se mo fa lumba mu no ankopimbo Kumasi
ya dene ban say operations are na woman say limousine you know na dene ko mukai
Yeah.
Huh? Tin crofo so small crofo bi say enka omo medin some money.
Okay.
Wow. Yes. And then I make us same way. Enti ye drew ajoso. Na was say ma police for no. E cut it off nipa bonifo an na omo follow. Na mu no. And almost escort on the backra. The time I yeti ho ye no, not that the loom by the name aba.
Wow.
Yes. The man nyina mo abehun so mo papa ye de ne be shede Calvin. O so ne papa body o she ne papa sabi pants. Ne manu
ye fa no to chen Ebusua secretary Mr. Philip Sian Abedin komo say we hu emu bia and afeso posifo estopo transit for say somebody emu no ema lawyer Adwo Asafo drivers no mo de aba empata
all kind there from intelligent there hu say casket we copy on pota say ye kan na emom transition no eye ya de nyina na car ba ko na hu say o ma shada de akwakusi ho e de adaka asim so hu say minim say bia mo trekio ama ya adwan akoso say ho na o da so makoyi na so monkoyi no enti prepare me ka say e car ni si ho adaka asim a obia eni ho ye de kan ye jim ready enti no court na ebetimi ene court edi nkomo no matie asem se do mutie asem modern junction beto so no se de be ya bia o de she na akoshe no obema ye nsaka martin be bebre se ono court court obesie ne papa na owie na court kwa de betuma mfa ho na sabio ubu mra sabi kan kasa asem no eso asi ne bo say the court beka bia ontie omfa buo kura ma judicial service no enti me de meka ye de abusua ye de buo ma judicial service no judge otena case no say the buo emano so what I say now they also mu no na wontie na we de obeya and the jama Ghana emra said a set na fata nti se wo hwe ye peace papa no tia so ye peace of abusuam so ye peace ye mpe basabasa nti se ye bega se ye ma ye nkofo so akọ ye ma obi akọ gidigidi ye wi bia nkọ ye me meka se me ofie a me hwe e de ekoso so ahu nti no sa na tie nti ye de ye din e na ye hwe omo se oso begun papa ni mase no ogusu a ogun ne papa ni mase na me se Ghana fo nyina mfo mani hwe de ekoso en guase na ogun papa na se nkasa bio oba ye de waba wiase o papa amma wa mred se de ye wo hakra ye bre ye hwe school ko wo de otifio ye ma teacher ni no aba no abekere wade wahu bebia na ye de kan de ko no akwa kusua de no aba na o papa sampo wa ma watimi abedi MP na nka na sedani so be na yi tantan kana sedani so wahu na ye de ye janu manyame nti ye de abusua de ye gusu a twen court se court ama order na wo se court order no mfa nya adwuma nti ebesa court na bebia ye this year no de na ko bia ye sabe kan ye na ye fefe nti de e ko social media de Ghana for montugu na obrempon te se apostle ko jesa ko kana ye ni minim de se mahu ohini bi wase a minim de mahu ohini bi wase mahu oripati tu bi wase so ahu akoye se na mfo no afre from na omu yi de o na madi ne mamma mienu no ya ho ya pa madi omo ho ya na said de mo papa si ayemu nti sa na megu na ni ase sa na megu na ni ase sa na megu na ni ase etete ho abra ye hu se o papa mu kura da ho afrefra ntoma akotena ho na me de men ka hwe mo se de bie mpinfo kan nipa de obesusu na nu na be de be obetwa na se boss so o banso bo hada e ma wo a esa ba so de mo de yom papa no ye de ensuom kosekose de yen ka se amane entom nti mo bisa me a na de abusua ye wo kan no na de pesa amamfo nyina eti
But Ebusia, according to the information I have here, say, and there was a video that surfaced at Gomu and Potter. Pekabi, Ekita Kofena, or the Remo. As a matter of fact, me who you know, when say we were streaming all day, it is me who you know. I thought like, that is a coffin. But I also said to myself, say, the late Suffolk and Tanka Nipidiadi, and to me that pick up Musa, it should have been in an ambulance or something special. But Ebusia and Koma made and then he say, Sadiana Mihuyeno. That was the body of Apostle Dr. Kojo Safo Kantanka. Many wouldn't come in. Maybe I say Enra or Musino. It is to see how many wouldn't come in. We don't know who to believe. To believe they are Ebusia Penisian Eka. And I say, Yeji lawyer Juasafua. And this say, can say, obey ye no ampania passe, which my ye in senior Canada. But everything being the corner say, yeah, court injunction. May ya where say, a day a year this like I would have said, say, a year was very nice. Just that empany for Binimuso, 8 member because of court injunction. Na Kenyanisa, Nanka Juasafua really did a good work. But Ebusia and a coso independent square. Now, the second thing I'm for AD1 common here say court injunction at the year so na yema main lawyer Joasafua ebunye gu na sum say eyi na no be bebusia me wasem say bisa say ampa say injunction at the emu no so an injunction at the year so adenti na was lawyer Joasafua knowing the nature of the laws no onwa being a lawyer went ahead to defy the law. Yes, I don't really want this video to be a long video. The person a year very short. Send a bit to my call independence. Now, first question was lawyer Joasafua aware or is she aware of the court injunction a day so? Because a day before injunction on Everton Morton, so they spread the news across all platforms say injunction a day so. So now the question is she really aware? Number 2, were they served with the court injunction at court? When the lawyers in appear or court, and when they injunction, because I'm persuaded say I'm passing the injunction in Momo at the court there, then so many questions would have been answered there. Because according to information that social media say, lawyer Adwasafua the kind aboka 3.7 million Ghana cedis. Ebi din which in yes, a year no, ye answer him where caba, and yen no cressa, a year no ye di kind bonka, a dying ye see what them, and send a consumer bonte. Iti our wa or invite to a mo, I pass out a chair, any acquaint to a hood or mutu ye, and to share and a year or more ye, a cow boy, just preparing the food, setting up the stage. Iti, if they were really informed, at the court say, yeah, the injunction at Tuswa, like they could have asked the court, say, how were they going to get their money back? Does it mean say she was aware and she deliberately decided say she was going to overlook the injunction and do whatever she wanted to do? And
then now book camera nye yentia doko yentia hwe yenya hwe enti then na
Nyansa de ne bo di ho. Na ni momo ntimi ntobi. Eska forma. Mu obi a wagimi bebrebia so ane papa woska. Ere na Abubakar abraye eyeda ne boka. Eyeda wote ha. Ene benada aye be yi wo papa ya wada. Ubusa se ye den. Enti kabnada ne enkofa de ko. Ebnada ne enkofa de ko. Wa akofuna na nkasa wo hia die ne. Won dia akofuna bi ade kodo Israel fa jimi fa ko asi animu. Eyeda ne boka ye nya yi. Eyiye ye ne wo mo be de funu ka ebi wo abusoro mi ensa omo be ye aduane wo mo be ye de kojimi wo de obekọ na abe ni wo kodi nti no wo ka se da na ye na ye from mo me no aduane asoi wanim se nkuruma okwasi animu jimi okwasi awuhuru to wonti de oto ye de oto we de wati fi adu ye yiwu a ye Yesu a wo na ato papa fi abo ye Jesus. We are Jesus want to have cover Jimmy Franco. Cow. One for Jimmy and free so. I'm uncle see papa ya metansi di August abo. Cover Jimmy free akwa. Yeah. O papa anti awuntino.
now when the course on social media, myself say, what will be I will be answering. What about your comments that might because that's the only way I bet you how it's fancy. Yes, you never did one. Subscribe to me at Thomas Money. Send me up to be answering on a bit macra.